Yeah. Now add 2 big tablespoons of baking soda. Now stir it until it disappears. Can you see? It's like a secret ingredient. Now pour some vinegar into the water. Here comes the magic. Watch it. See the bubbles. Food color. See the corn dance.